Hello, welcome to Promine's AutoCAD Tip of the Week. This week we're going to cover useful tricks to create, manipulate, and publish layouts. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to create a layout. This is a level of an underground mine. We're just going to use the create layout command from the grid module of Promine. So I just click here, create layout, choose the printer the scale. In this case is 1:400. I'm just going to click here OK, and as fast as this, we have now our layout created. So I'm just gonna put the right name in the title block. In this case, corresponds to the level 1200. Just click OK. So I have the layout of this particular level. So I'm gonna go back to the model space, and I'm gonna turn on the different layers where I have all the different levels that I have in that particular underground mine. So if I look into the different layouts, so I can see I have a layout for each one of the levels and the layout that we just created. So we can see in this layout we have a large amount of layers that we don't want to see. So we can't select the layers that we actually want to see in that particular layout. So we're going to use the commands thaw layers and the command freeze layers. So I'm going to start by using the command freeze layers. So I'm going to select all of those layers that we don't want to visualize. So I'm going to take all of them out. And gonna do the same for these other layers. So now that I basically took out all of the different layers that I had, I'm gonna insert the ones that I actually want to visualize. In this case, I'm in the level 1200, so I just want to see the grid and the drift in that particular level. So now I have the layout with the layers that I want to visualize in that particular layouts. So now we have all of the different layouts ready to be printed. So we can print all of them together. So in order to do that, we're just gonna select all of them using the Shift or the Control command. In this case, I select all of them. I do right click, and I'm gonna choose the option Publish Selected Layouts. So once I click Publish Selected Layout, it's gonna display the list of layouts that I selected. I wanna choose where do I wanna publish. In this case, I'm gonna publish to PDF. In the publish options, I can change the path where the PDF is gonna be saved. In this case, I'm just gonna say publish. I'm gonna give a name. In this case, I'm gonna give the name layouts, and it's basically gonna publish the PDF containing the different layouts that we have in our drawing. So once all of them are gonna be processed, we're gonna get a message that says that the job has been processed and finished. So in this case, it's been processing those layouts. So as we can see here, it basically say publish job in progress. So this is very useful too when we have a set of multiple layouts and we want to print all of them, to publish all of them. So we don't have to do it one by one. We can do all of them together. So, but we can see how simple it is to just create layouts, define the layers that we want to visualize in the different layouts, and basically afterwards publish them. So there are other options, very interesting options. We can adjust scales, we can basically divide viewports and manipulate those layouts as we prefer in order to publish them afterwards. So it's still progressing. So in this case, we see that the published work is in the layout 2, out 4. So once it's gonna be done, it's gonna send us the message. So we have here the different levels. You can also have different viewports and different scales regarding those different viewports. So this is gonna come in a future trick. So now we have the message, plot and publish job complete. So once we have the job complete, we can basically go to the folder and visualize the PDF that we just created. In this case, layouts. So we can see now how it generates the different layouts basically after we publish the work. So this concludes this week Promine's AutoCAD Tip of the Week. If you have comments or suggestions, let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.